Hi students. Last class we discussed the application of determinants and what matrices. Application of determinants and matrices. That is the solution of system of linear equations. Solution of system of linear equations. Today we are discussing some problems. We are discussing some important problems related to our solution of system of equations. So this is me Mohan. Welcome back. The first problem, see, solve the system of equations. Solve the system of equation. First one is 2x plus 5y is equal to 1, 3x plus 2y is equal to what? 7. Okay. A pair of linear equations is given. We have to what? Solve. So, first you write what? The matrix A. A is the matrix with what? The coefficients. Okay, that is 2, 5, 3 and 2. Okay. Coefficients, and we write what? The matrix X. X is what? X is the matrix with what? The variables. Which are the variables? X and Y are the variables. So it is a column matrix, matrix XY. And we write what now? A matrix B. B is also what? A column matrix with the constants. Which are the constants? 1 and 7. Okay. Now, first you have to find what? DTA. What is DTA? DTA is equal to 2 into 2 is what? 4 minus 5 3s are what? 15. 4 minus 15 is equal to what? Minus 11, which is not equal to what? 0. So DTA is not equal to 0 means what? A is a non-singular matrix and hence what? A inverse exists. We can find what? Solution for this. That means this equation exists what? A unique solution. So what is formula for A inverse? A inverse is equal to what? 1 by DTA into HGA. So we have to find first what? HGA. So what is HGA? HGA is equal to, since it is a 2 by 2 matrix, we can what? Write the inverse H directly. So interchange these two elements. So what? 2 only because both are 2. Change the sign, become what? Minus 5 and what? Minus 3. This is what? HGA. Okay. So after getting HGA, we have to find what? A inverse. So A inverse is equal to 1 by DTA into what? HGA. 1 by DTA into HGA. That is equal to 1 by, what DTA? DTA is equal to what? Minus 11. So 1 by minus 11 into what? HGA. HGA is 2 minus 5 minus 3, 2. 2 minus 5 minus 3, 2. Okay. So we got what? A inverse. Now X is equal to, we know that what? A inverse into B. X is equal to what? A inverse into B. That is equal to, what is A inverse? A inverse is 1 by minus 11 into 2 minus 5 minus 3, 2 into what? B. So what is B? B is the matrix, column matrix 1, 7. Okay. So we can multiply this minus 1 by 11 into, okay. 2 into 1 is what? 2. 2 into 1 is 2. Plus minus 5 into 7 is minus what? 35. Okay. Then what? Minus 3 into 1 is what? Minus 3. Plus what? 2 7s are 14. So that's equal to 2 minus 30. What is 2 minus 35? 2 minus 35 is what? Minus 33. Minus 33 into this 1 by 11. Okay. 2 minus 35 is minus 33 into minus 1 by 11. Minus 1 by 11. So it is what? 3. The first element is 3. Now, minus 3 plus 14 is what? Minus 3 plus 14 is what? 11. 11 into what? Minus 1 by 11 become what? Minus 1. Okay. So, we got what? A column matrix 3 minus 1. So, X, what is X? X is equal to, we know that what? XY. So, XY is equal to 3 minus 11. So, what is the value of X? The value of X is what? 3 and value of Y is equal to what? Minus 1. Okay. The value of X is 3 and value of Y is what? Minus 1. These are the solutions of the given system of equations. Now, the second question, 3x minus 2y plus 3z is equal to 8, 2x plus y minus z is equal to 1, 4x minus 3y plus 2z is equal to what? 4. Okay. Here, x, y, z are the 3 variables and 3 equations are given. We have to what? Solve it. So, this equation we can write in the form of what? Ax is equal to b. So, first we form what? The matrix A. What is matrix A? A is equal to 3 minus 2, 3. 3 minus 2, 3. 2, 1, minus 1, 4, minus 3, 2. Okay. A is the matrix with what? Elements are the coefficients of the variables. Coefficients of the variables. And X is what? X is a column matrix with what? The variables X, Y, and what? Z. And what? B. What is the matrix B? B is the matrix. B is the matrix what? The constants 8, 1, and 4. 8, 1, and 4. Okay. So, first way to find what? DTA. Okay. DTA way to find. So, how can you expand this DTA? So, what? 3 into what? 1 into 2 is 2 minus 3 into minus 1 is what? Plus 3. Then what? This minus 2 become plus 2. 2 into what? 2 into 2 to 4 plus what? 4. Then what? Again plus 3 into, okay, 3 into what? 2 into minus 3 is equal to what? Minus 6 minus what? 4. Okay, that's equal to, what is 2 minus 3? 2 minus 3 is minus 1. Minus 1 into 3 is what? Minus 3. 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 plus 8 into 2 is what? 16. Minus 6 and minus 4 become what? Minus 10 into 3 is what? Minus 30. Okay, so that is equal to minus 3 plus 16 minus 30. Okay, so minus 3 and minus 30 become what? Minus 33. Minus 33 plus 16 is what? Minus 17. So, determinant of A is what? Minus 17, which is not equal to 0. That means what? A is a non-singular matrix. That means what? A inverse exists, and what? This equation has what? A unique solution. We can find what? The solution. So, after getting A, determinant of A, we have to find what? A inverse. So, to find A inverse, we have to find what? At J. We have to find at J. Okay. For finding at J, we write now the coefficients. See here, 3 minus 2, 3, 2, 1 minus 1, 4 minus 3, 2 are the elements. We write, see, 3 minus 2, 3, 2, 1 minus 1, 4 minus 3, 2. And the first column, we write again 3, 2, 4. And now the first row, we write last again 3 minus 2, 3, 3. This is an easy method to find what? At J. Okay. Now we can start from here. 1 into 2. What is 1 into 2? It is 2 minus 3 into 1. Minus 3 into 1 is minus 1 is what? Plus 3. So 2 minus 3 is what? Minus 1. Then minus 3 into minus 3 is what? Minus 9 minus 2 into 4 is what? Minus 2 into 2 is what? Minus 4. So minus 9 minus 4 become what? Minus 5. Then minus 2 into minus 1 is what? 2. 2 minus 3, it is what? Minus 1. Okay. Now we start from here. Minus 1 into 4 is what? Minus 4. Minus again 4 become what? Minus 8. Then what? 2 into 3 is what? 6 minus 3 4s are what? 12. So 6 minus 12 is what? Minus 6. Then 3 into 2 is what? 6 minus 1 into 3 it become what? 9. Then from here 2 into minus 3 is what? Minus 6 minus 4 into 1 is 4 become what? Minus 10. Then 4 into minus 2 is what? Minus 8. 3 into minus 3 is what? Minus 9. So minus 8 minus 9 become what? It is 1. And what? 3 into 1 is 3. Minus 2 into minus 2 is what? Minus 4. So 3 plus 4 become what? 7. Okay. This is what? At J. This is at J. Okay. Now we have to find what? A inverse. We have to find A inverse. Okay. DTA is equal to what? Minus 17. And what? At J also we got. Now we have to find what? A inverse. So what is the formula for A inverse? A inverse is equal to 1 by DTA into what? At J. 1 by DTA into at J. Okay. That's equal to 1 by. But DTA is minus 17 into what's at J? At J is equal to minus 1, minus 5, minus 1, minus 8, minus 6, 9, minus 10, 1 and what? 7. This is 8. So we got what? A inverse. So after getting A inverse, we have to find what? X. What is the formula for X is equal to A inverse into B. X is equal to what? A inverse into B. That's equal to what's A inverse? So already we got 1 by 17 into minus 1 by 17 into minus 1, minus 5, minus 1, minus 8, minus 6, 9, minus 10, 1, 7. Okay. Into A inverse into B. What's B? B is the matrix. B is the matrix what? The constants 8, 1, 4. 8, 1, 4. It's a column matrix. Okay. Now that's equal to minus 1 by 17 into. We have to multiply these two matrices. Okay. So minus 1 into 8 is what? Minus 8. Minus 5 into 1 is what? Minus 5. Minus 1 into 4 is what? Minus 4. So first row. Then minus 8 into 8, minus 64. Minus 6 into 1 is what? Minus 6. 9 fours are what? 9 fours are 36. Okay. Again minus 10 into 8 is what? Minus 80. 1 into 1 is what? 1. And what? 7 fours are 28. Okay. Okay. So what is the answer here? See right here. Right here. That's equal to. Okay. Minus 1 by 17, minus 1 by 17 into, okay. See, minus 8, minus 5, minus 4. Minus 8 and minus 5 become what? Minus 13 and minus 4 become what? Minus 17. Okay, minus 17. Then what? Minus 64, minus 6 become what? Minus 70. Minus 70 plus 36 is what? Minus 34. Okay, then what? Minus 80 plus 1 plus what? 28. So 28 plus 1 is what? 29. Minus 80 plus 29 become what? Minus 51. This is what? Minus 51. Okay, so minus 1 by 17 into the matrix minus 17, minus 34, minus 51. That's equal to what? 1 by 17 into 17 become what? 1. Minus and minus become plus. Again, minus 1 by 17 into minus 34 become what? Is 2. And what? Minus 1 by 17 into minus 51 become what? 3. So we got what? The matrix 1, 2, 3. Okay. So x is equal to the matrix 1, 2, 3. Okay. So what is x? X means the variables x, y, z. So we'll get what? X is equal to the first element 1 and y is equal to what? The second element 2. And z is equal to what? The third element 3. So these are the values of x, y and z. Okay, solutions of the given equations. Now another question. The sum of three numbers is 6. If we multiply the third number by 3 and add second number to it, we get what? 11. By adding first and third numbers, we get what? Double of the second number. Represent it algebraically and find the numbers using what? Matrix method. See, let what? The numbers be what? X, Y, Z. We take the numbers are X, Y and Z. So what? First condition. The sum of three numbers is what? 6. Okay. Let what? The numbers are X, Y and Z. We take X, Y, Z are the numbers. So the first condition is the sum of three numbers is 6. Sum of three numbers x plus y plus z is equal to what? 6. That's the first condition. Sum of three number is what? 6. Okay. And what second condition now? If we multiply a third number by 3, if we multiply the third number by 3, we get what? 3z. 3z. And now add second number to it and add second number to it. We get what? 11. We get 11. Okay. And what third condition? By adding first and third, by adding first number and what? Third number, we get what? The double of the second. We get the double of the second. So, x plus y plus z is equal to 6, first equation. Y plus 3z is equal to 11, third equation. And what? X plus z is equal to what? 2y is the third equation. We have to rearrange this equation. We get what now? X plus y plus z is equal to what? 6 is the first equation. Then what? Y plus z. Y plus what? 3z is equal to what? 11. There is no x here. And third equation we can write now. X minus 2y. X minus 2y plus what? Z is equal to 0. Okay. X, this 2y we can move to left. So x minus 2y plus z is equal to what? 0. So these are the three equations we got. Okay. According to the conditions, we just convert this into what? Algebraically, we got what? These three equations. Now we have to solve these three equations by what? Using matrix method. These three equations we have to solve by matrix method. We see how to solve this. See the equations. X plus y plus z is equal to what? 6. Y plus 3z is equal to what? 11. and what x minus 2y plus z is equal to 0 are the equations. So first you have to write what the matrix A. The matrix A is equal to what? 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 3, 1, minus 2, 1. A is what? The matrix with the elements are what? The coefficients of the variables. And X is a matrix X, Y, Z, and B is a matrix what? 6, 11, 0. Now, first you have to find what? DTA. So DTA is equal to what? 1 into 1 into 1 is 1 plus what? 6. Then what? Minus 1 into 0 minus what? 3 plus what? 1 into 0 minus 1. 0 minus 1. That's equal to 6 plus 1 is 7. 7. 0 minus 3 is what? Minus 3 into minus 1 is what? Plus 3. And what? 1 into minus 1 is equal to what? 9, which is not equal to 0. So determinant A is what? Not 0. That means what? A is a non-singular matrix and we can find what? Solution. The solution of this equation what? Exists. Okay. Now we have to find what? A inverse. For finding A inverse, we have to find what? Adj first. Okay. How can you find Adj? See, right? 1, 1, 1. 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 3, 1, minus 2, 1 is a matrix. So the first column 1, 0, 1 we write again 1, 0, 1. The first row 1, 1, 1, 1 again we write what? 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay. Now we started from here. 1 into 1 is what? 1 minus 3 into minus 2 is what? Minus 6. So 1 plus 6 is what? 7. Then minus 2 into 1 is what? Minus 2. Minus 1 is what? Minus 3. Then 1 into 3, 3. 3 minus 1 is what? 2. Okay. Now 3 into 1 is 3. Minus 1 into 0, 0. It is what? 3. 1 1s are 1. Minus 1 1s are 1 is what? 0. 1 into 0, 0. 3 into 1 is minus. So minus 3 is coming. Then what? 0 into minus 2, 0. 1 into 1 is 1. So 0 minus 1 is what? Minus 1. 1 into 1 is 1. Minus 2 become what? 3. And 1 minus 0 is what? 1. Okay. So this is what? Adj. Okay. This is Adj. We got what? Adj. Now, after getting Adj, we have to find what? A inverse. What is the formula for A inverse? A inverse is equal to 1 by dta into what? Adj. 1 by dta into Adj. That's equal to 1 by dta is what? 9 into what? Adj. So this is Adj. 7 minus 3, 2. 7 minus 3, 2. 3, 0 minus 3. 3, 0 minus 3. And what? Minus 1, 3, 1. Minus 1, 3, 1. Okay. So we got what? A inverse. Now after getting A inverse, we have to find what? X. What is the formula for X? X is equal to what? A inverse into B. A inverse into B. That's equal to, what's A inverse? 1 by 9 into the matrix 7 minus 3, 2, 3, 0, minus 3, minus 1, 3, 1 into B. What is B? B is a matrix 6, 11, 0. 6, 11 and what? 0. Okay. So that's equal to 1 by 9 into. We multiply 7, 6 are what? 42. Minus 3 into 11 is what? Minus 33. 2 into 0 is what? 0 only. Okay. Now 3 into 6 is what? 18. 0 into 11 is 0. Again what? 0. Okay. Minus 1 into 6 is what? Minus 6. 3 11s are what? 33. And what? 1 into 0 is what? 0. Okay. So that's equal to 1 by 9 into. See, 42 minus 33 is what? 9. Again 18 is here, second element. Here it is what? Minus 6 plus 33. That is 33 minus 6 become what? 27. Okay. So that's equal to. Multiply with 1 by 9. So become what? This become 1. This become what? 2. And this become what? 3. Okay. So we got what? The matrix 1, 2, 3. So X is equal to, the matrix X is equal to 1, 2, 3. So what is X? The matrix X is what? X, Y, Z. So the first element represents what? X, second represents Y, and third is what? Z. Okay. So what is X? So the answer is X is equal to, what is X? X is equal to 1 and what? Y is equal to what? 2 and what? Z is equal to what? 3 is the answer. This is the solution of what? The given equations.